I could easily understand. You could easily take my man, but you don't know what he means to me, Jolene. Jolene. He talks about you in his sleep. There's nothing I can do to keep him crying when he calls your name, Jolene. 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 Please don't take him even though you can. Jolene. 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 Please don't take him just because you can. Well, you could have your choice of men, but I could never love again, 'cause he's the only one for me, Jolene. I had to have this talk with you. Happiness depends on you, whatever you decide to do, Jolene. But I didn't like her, she did it again. Jolene, 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 Jolene.